All right, y'all, today I'm now going to show you how to polish your boat. This is start to finish art. This is really great on gel coat, and it's really good for car, on clear coat if you're doing a paint correction. Now today we are using the Lake Country polish pad. This is synthetic wool, it's not real, of course. I thought it was double-sided, but it's not. This is actually our first time trying it. So this is a very faster way to polish if you're very good at polishing. If you're not familiar with polishing, I would recommend starting out with this. It's a Roots polisher. It's a Lake Country pad. Any polishing pad would be great as long as it's like hard and firm, because that's what you need to get out holograms and scratches. Now if you come in, you can see the difference. If the sun will come back out, you can see the difference of where we have polished and where we haven't. There's holograms over here and there's no holograms up here. We have not done the bottom yet. But if you want to go this route, shake your bottle up first and just put a small thin circle just like that. And you can use Elevate too. Elevate's probably better if you're doing the synthetic wool pad on a rotary. So first I'm gonna smear it all around with 600. Then we're going to work it in on 1800. Then we're going to finish off on 2500. Stop. Now if you come in, you can see for sure since the sun came back out where we did do and where we did not do. See all the holograms and scratches? We did not polish over there, but this is going to take it out very fast. Now fuzz is going to go everywhere just because it's fake wool. All right. Now, just go ahead and wipe off that little bit of residue that's left. And after this, you are going to want to do a wash with Dawn dish soap to get all that wool off. So that way when you go to put on your sealant or ceramic coating, there won't be no residue interfering with its bond. Now you can see right here, I didn't get right here good enough. I should have came down a little bit more. So I missed right there. But the rest of it looks pretty good. It does have some sun damage in there. You can see the little tiny dots. It's pigment damage. This thing was pretty dry when we started. So if you are going to go in with the DA, it's really the same thing. You're going to want to put a few little dots on there. You don't want to use too much polish. You're going to want to work it in on the lowest setting and then turn all the way up to 5 or 6. And you just keep going until clarity's return. So with this, I'd go about 3 or 4 passes and then wipe it off and you're good.
Now something else I forgot to mention too, if you want absolute perfection, definitely on dark colored gel coat, you want to come back in after using a rotary to polish with the DA polisher to get out that light hologram effect that the rotary will put in it.
All right, y'all, so we're now done polishing this side, and what you want to do when you're done polishing is do a Dawn wash like we just did, and you want to blow it, dry it. You don't want any water on it at all. And you're going to come in with Start Hyper Hold polymer sealant and just use an applicator pad. Put it on thin, because if you don't put it on thin, it'll be very difficult to wipe off, or you can put it on by buffer, but these size boats we always do it by hand. You just want to come back through and wipe it off. This stuff lasts about 6 months. Can last longer if your boat stays covered, but it is truly amazing. I highly recommend this stuff over wax. But that's it. It looks good.